everyone, attorney Justin Rundle. I get asked this all the time. People want to know, what's my case worth? What are my damages worth? Well, there's two things that we need to look at. First, we look at the fault, who's at fault for your accident. And the second thing we look at is what type of damages are there. At fault. So across the country, every state is going to use something called comparative fault, and each state is different. In Florida, we are a pure comparative fault state. So what that means is everybody's damages are reduced by the amount of fault they have in the accident. So if you've got a Lyft driver with a passenger in the back and another driver rear ends that car, as long as the Lyft driver was following the law and not acting negligent, it's likely that this other party is going to be completely at fault and that your damages will not be reduced. But let's say you're on a scooter and there is no third party. As long as that scooter was properly maintained and it wasn't somebody else interfering with you, someone else's negligence contributing to your accident, then you might be more at fault and your damages amount would be reduced. So let's talk about the types of damages. So in Florida, there are non-economic and economic damages. The non-economic damages are things like pain and suffering, emotional distress, fear, anxiety, things that are hard to put a number on. Okay? And something called loss of consortium. So if you're in an accident and you have a spouse, your spouse is also suffering because of your pain. Those are the non-economic damages. As far as economic damages, those are things that you can put a number on, such as medical bills, out-of-pocket expenses, damages to property, damages to your car. Those things that you can actually put a number on are your economic damages. Also in Florida, there's a third type of damage known as punitive damages. Punitive damages are given in a case where the defendant's behavior is something that we want to punish or deter as a society, such as reckless endangerment, drinking and driving, or fleeing the scene of a crime. So that is how you look at who's at fault and what type of damages. That's what's going to determine the value of your case. If you have any other questions, please shoot me a DM or leave a comment below. I'll answer it as soon as I can. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy the ride.